In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment button in Framer. Start by signing into your Framer account and open the project where you want to add a payment button. Next, open the AI assistant by clicking the assistant icon or using the prompt box in your project. After that, type a prompt like, "Add a button to my homepage that links to my Stripe payment link." Style it with a modern design and place it below the pricing section, ***, then send the prompt and wait for Framer to generate the button. Now review the generated button and make any adjustments you'd like. You can change the text, size, colors, spacing, or position directly in the editor. Next, select the button and open the link field in the right sidebar. Paste your payment link if it hasn't already been added by the AI. After that, click Preview and test the button to make sure it opens the correct payment page. Finally, click Publish to update your live Framer website and verify that the payment button works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a payment button in Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.